Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of S sound. S is the 19th letter of the alphabet. It makes the sis sound, just like a snake. S. Want to say it right? Place the tip of your tongue close to the roof of your mouth and say S. Great job. Word recognition. Now let's learn some fun words that begin with S. S for sun. It gives us light and warmth. S for strawberry. A yummy red fruit. S for sparrow. A small chirpy bird. S for snake. A slithery reptile. Can you say them with me? Sun, strawberry, sparrow, snake. Super. Writing practice. Let's practice writing the letter S. Follow the dotted lines carefully. Start from the top and curve around like a snake. Repeat with me. S is for snake. Now let's try lowercase s. It's like a tiny curvy path. Keep practicing. Activity. Beginning sound recognition. Now it's time for a fun activity. Look at the pictures below. Can you tell me what sound they start with? 1 spoon, write S. 2 shirt, write S. 3 soap, write S. 4 scissors, write S. 5 ship, write S. Wow, you are doing superb. All these words begin with the letter S. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with S. New words. Spoon. We eat with it. Shirt. A piece of clothing. Soap. Keeps us clean. Ship. A big boat. Scissor. Used to cut paper. Awesome, you learned. The sound of the letter S, new S words like sun, snake, and soap. And you practiced writing the letter S. Keep practicing your sis sound, and you'll be a sound superstar. Next time, we'll explore a new letter. Bye-bye and stay smiling.